Okay guys, hi.
Hi.
And we have
Orgy.
right here, and today I'll be testing out this Fuji X-T2. This camera came out in 2016, right? And I'm like, yo, it's like 600 or probably 700. You can probably get it for 500 if you try eBay. Well, that's era, not a euro type of place, but I'm not the eBay type of thing, right? And I have the VILTROX 23 1.4, which is equal to a 35 full frame sensor look. Well, 35 f2 or 1.8 if you do the calculation. My math's probably off right now. So I'm trying to see this 2016 camera in 2022 and see how the quality of taking stills with it and see how it looks. Alright, so let's get the ball rolling. I'm legit outside Ragamuffin, Lady Musgrave Road. That's the right road, right? Right road?
Yeah.
So let me see.
Yeah, sure, ask the non-Jamaican.
Alright, so let me put on my phone. This is a close-up. Ah, yo, I love how it just sound when you hit the shutter. Get a full body. Do a close-up. Alright, come back a bit. Give myself some more light. Alright, reach towards the camera. One more. Alright, is it because on a touch screen? As in for touch and focus? Yeah. Nice. The other side here now. Do a full body and get everything. Alright, so I want to get the whole triangle. Alright, so yeah, we have here and over here, so it's my record. So, why have the two? Why have that over in my use? I've black the screen. Alright, yo, the quality from this so far just looks really dynamic. Come back. Yo, you know, say like the sun actually I work with it. Shade is really nice. Alright, do a close up. Do a close up. By the glasses. Crap, that thing is there. Alright. Look at me. Vertical. Yo, the focus on this is super fast. And this is not even native Fuji lens. Oops, find it up. Crap, the sun will come up back. Do a close up and say look. Alright, look at me. Oh god. Yeah, so let me show you what some of them look like so far.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh wow. Yeah.
Bro, look. Yo, look at this. Look at this, man.
Oh, bro, that's sick.
Yeah.
The colors. That's what I'm telling you. So the colors stand out.
Right. That's what I thought.
Yo, this close up looks nice. Yo, close up look nice. All right, can you like? They'll probably. I don't know if you can sit based on the fact how short you just be. Okay. Oh, you sit it all fancy. Yo, this makes shooting feel so easy.
It seems that way.
Yeah, makes shooting seem so easy. And right now, I'm just in standard film simulation. It's like how the Sony like preset picture profile.
Yeah.
So with Fuji we have film simulation. We have different thing. So I try a different film simulation right now because I was on standard. So let me go soft color. Are you feeling hot? Alright, so I'm using Pro Neg High film simulation right now.
What does that mean?
Hold on, let me see the setting. Ideal for portrait with slightly enhanced contrast. Yeah, so let me give you the exact meaning, just in case you know what it meaning. Just like a while ago, because I never know what it mean. I just saw the option and said, let me test it out. Focus, nice. Focus super fast. Alright, so the good thing about the Fuji here as well, I can flip out the screen and get the angle, a low angle, if I want. And then I can also flip the screen another way and get it vertically. Come out. Okay, get a vertical shot if I want, a low vertical shot. Yo, the face focus one is fast, really fast. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, for a camera that was released back in 2016, the features that it comes with right now, I'm like, you know how much camera is out and it doesn't even have these type of features? Bro, 2 SD card slot. 2 SD card slots, you know? That's normally most pro cameras come with 2 SD card slot. And it has certain little features that I really love. I love the design, right? That vintage look. And if you have a camera, for example, like the Sony A7C right now, if you have a lens, I should say, and it doesn't have the manual focus button or no button at all, you can actually just utilize it from here. So come in a little closer. See, I have a switch right here for single focus, continuous. So single focus, continuous focus, and manual focus. So just in case, yo, I don't have any switch on it, and you don't need to go in the camera setting to fix that. All right, and not only that, like I love the battery grip design, because right now because I can easily take off the battery grip. And when I take off the battery grip, I don't have to worry about it. So this is what it looks like without the battery grip. So small it be. So this has in 2 battery, and this still has in the actual native Fuji battery. But for the A7III, I'd have to put in a dummy battery in order for me to use a battery grip. But with this, I don't need to do that. I just screw on the battery grip and I'm good to go. And more life, more performance. And let's go inside and see how it looks in like low light. So man, get out of that. But yo, this car that's right here, this is nice. Oh, nice. It's nice. Yeah. Look, may I try to may I tell herself if we look out? May I tell herself if we look out? I'm on the inside, I tell her if we look out. That's crazy. Nice. I'll change the angle. So I'm on the other side here now. Look at me. Tell her look at me. I don't know how sharp this looking, but shooting through a window seems pretty cool. Change the angle. Oh no, can't do that at all. Alright, I think this is probably good.